In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sent email in AOL. We will remove sent messages from your own sent folder so your account looks cleaner and easier to manage. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL into the address bar or the search box, then press enter. Your browser will load a search results page. Look for the official AOL mail site, which usually shows the familiar AOL logo and mentions email or mail in the description. Taking a second to confirm the real site helps you avoid opening an unrelated page that just mentions AOL in an article. Next, click the correct AOL mail link in the results, and then click Sign In. After the page loads, you should see a Sign In button near the top of the screen. Click it and enter your AOL username and password. When you finish and the sign-in is successful, your inbox will appear, showing your list of emails with folders like Inbox and Sent in a column on the left side. If you land on a general AOL homepage first, check for a mail icon or a mail link that takes you into your inbox view. Once you are in AOL Mail, click the Sent folder on the left side navigation panel. This panel is a vertical list of folders, usually starting with Inbox at the top. A little to the left of each folder name there may be small icons. Find the one labeled Sent and click it once. The main area of the screen will refresh and now show a list of emails that you have previously sent from this account. You will see the recipient, subject line, and the date for each sent message. From there, check the box next to the email or emails you want to remove. On the left of each email line there is a small empty box. Click inside that box to select the message. A check mark appears when it is selected. You can select just one email or click several boxes if you want to delete multiple sent messages in one go. If you misclick and choose the wrong email, simply click the same box again to clear the check mark before moving on. After you have selected the emails, click the delete icon at the top of the page. This icon looks like a small trash can and sits above your list of messages. When you click it, AOL immediately removes the selected emails from the sent folder and they disappear from the list you are viewing. You have now deleted the record of those messages from your own sent folder, even though they stay delivered in the other person's inbox. You have just cleaned up your AOL sent folder by deleting sent emails you no longer need, keeping your mail history more organized. If this helped you clear out old sent messages, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick AOL tips.